Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a clear objective: automate, train, or evaluate play. Get access to the game API or a state feed so you can read frames and send actions. Install Python 3. 10. Create a virtual environment and add libraries, Gym, PyTorch, or TensorFlow, plus ML agents or a client SDK. If you have a GPU, install drivers and CUDA. If not, plan for efficient CPU runs. Once done, confirm you can observe state and send at least one action. Now you architect the agent. Decide whether to start with rules, supervised imitation, or reinforcement learning. PPO is a solid default. Define the observation tensor, action discrete or continuous space, and craft a reward function that guides desired behavior. Be careful to avoid reward hacking. Implement the episode loop. Reset environment, collect transitions, compute returns, and update the policy. Make sure to log performance, save checkpoints regularly, and run validation episodes to measure progress and prevent regressions. Finish by integrating the trained agent back into the live game loop. Ensure action timing matches frame rate, and add retries or smoothing to handle jitter. Optimize inference by batching, model quantization, or switching to a lighter architecture so runtime stays responsive. If performance stalls, inspect logs and replay failing episodes to see what the agent misinterprets. Make targeted reward tweaks and retrain small increments. One key troubleshooting tip: if the agent
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.